Namaste friends, myself Vinayak Deshmukh, working in Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya Mazalgaon. Students, in the previous slides or previous PPT, we have seen about vector algebra or vector analysis. In that, we have seen about what is meant by a scalar physical quantity, what is meant by a vector physical quantity. Also, we have seen about dot product and cross product. Also, we have seen about scalar triple product. In that, we have said that the product of three vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C, is known as scalar triple product. Now, in this video, in this section, today we are going to see a very interesting physical interpretation of that scalar triple product. Now, in the first slide, we can see a very interesting physical property for that scalar triple product here. In this figure, we have said that, we have shown that a parallelepiped. This parallelepiped is having three sides represented by vector A, vector B and vector C. Okay. Now, in case of this vector A, vector B and vector C are represented by the three sides of that parallelepiped. Now, here for studying the physical interpretation of that scalar triple product, here we can say that the scalar triple product has interesting physical interpretation. For that, we have considered here a parallelepiped represented by vector A, vector B and a vector C. Now, the product of, that is the product of this B and C will become the BC sin theta, is becoming the area of that parallelogram. Okay, if you see in figure that vector B and vector C are the sides of the base of the parallelogram, and therefore vector B cross vector C is giving the BC sin theta is nothing but the area of that parallelogram. Now, when we are studying the interesting property for that scalar triple product, here we can say that vector A dot B cross C is equal to what now? If you see in the figure, the projection A, that is vector A, in the direction of B cross C. If you see the figure very carefully, that vector BC is the base area of that parallelogram and vector A is the projection for that into the area of a parallelogram found by the vector B and vector C. Again, if you see the diagram, it is observed that vector B and vector C are the sides of that parallelogram and they are forming the base area for that parallelogram. Now, the projection of vector A and the area of the parallelogram is nothing but the, means what, projection of vector A shown in the diagram is what, is nothing but the height of that parallelogram, and into what is B cross C, or the projection formed by that B cross C is nothing but the base area of that parallelogram. And we all know very well that height into area means height, base and length is nothing but the volume of any. Therefore, it is nothing but the volume of a parallelepiped. Therefore, we can say that vector A dot B cross C is nothing but the scalar triple product, and it is always equal to volume of a parallelepiped. This is known as the very interesting property in case of that scalar triple product. And I want to mention one thing, that this question is asking always and always for 10 marks as concerned point of examination view. If you see that this question is asking for 10 marks, the question is asked like this: define or what is scalar triple product and give the physical interpretation of that scalar triple product. This question is asked for that 10 marks, and therefore we can mention that this is always playing very important role. Please prepare this point for the examination point of view and as an interesting property for that product here. Means I think you understood very well. Thank you.